You know what's funny about life? It's like a movie जिसमें सबको लगता है they are the main character. ऐसे ही मेरी भी एक कहानी है.
Holding high the torch. Manoj. We have now started running.
This is me, 12-year-old, played my first nationals, being the torch bearer, reading the oath, doing what I do best, that is play football. What else would a 12-year-old aim for in life? कुछ गिने चुने खास चाइल्डहुड मोमेंट्स जो याद है. द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप, उसके बाद ऑल द कांड दैट आई हैव डन इन कॉलेज, मोर फुटबॉल गेम्स, फ्रेंडशिप्स दैट आई विल चेरिश फॉरएवर, डूइंग द मोस्ट बिजार थिंग्स विद देम इन माय लाइफ, पहला जॉब ऑफर, फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ रनिंग अ हाफ मैराथन, solo backpacking trip, hitchhiking, experience of climbing the mountain top, all the physical pain that I had to go through, meeting strangers and realizing that there are good people who will go out of their way to help you, then do any harm. And the biggest realization of them all, that people have bigger problems in their life to deal with. Nobody has the time to give a damn about you. दोस्त इधर तक आ ही गए हो तो जिंदगी की दूसरी सच्चाई भी सुन लो. As you grow, there are a lot of these memories that get lost with time. You realize there are only snippets from each phase of your life that you remember and you can actually recall. That is why it is important to make more memories with people who matter and more importantly for yourself. Back in 2020, I did Brahmatal trek with people whom I've actually known for more than 10 years. One of the things I wanted to tick off my bucket list for a very long time. ट्रैक के बाद गंगा किनारे बैठे we were having a conversation and trying to reflect back at life. There were days जहाँ पे 40 रुपए की टिकट निकाल के we used to go to Gokarna and chill. And now here we are, climbing a goddamn mountain in Uttarakhand. How far have we come in life? और कभी कभी ये सब सोच के डर भी लगता है कि कहीं जिंदगी बस यूं ही ना फिसल जाए. That 90-year-old man was not born that way. He was a child once. With all that's going on with life, I think about death a lot and what it might feel like. On your deathbed, would you want to be proud of all the hustle and the lives that you've touched along the way? How many people would go out of the way to attend your funeral? Would all that matter? I'm not even sure. Quite frankly, it seems so irrelevant in the world we live in today. But I really hope those 10 people who are close to me would know how grateful I was for having them around me. Doesn't matter where you get in life, nobody escapes the circle of life. But when I die, I really hope I gave more than what I took from life.